the first part, we have seen some of the circumstances that led to the American War of Independence. Let us recall the slogan, "No taxation without representation, mercantilists lose." Here we could see the inspiration given by the famous thinkers such as John Locke and Thomas Paine. Everyone has fundamental rights, said by John Locke. John Locke commented, everyone has fundamental rights. According to Thomas Paine, it is foolishness to think that a continent be ever governed by a foreign power. Really, these thinkers stimulated the people of the colonies to fight against the exploitative or destructive laws of the British. We could see the important Continental Congress which led to the American War of Independence. In 1774, delegates or representatives of all the colonies except Georgia met at Philadelphia to protest against the policies and rules imposed by England. So first Continental Congress was in 1774. It was at Philadelphia. Following that, they submitted a petition to the King of England. What was their demand? They demanded the revocation or repeal, or in other words, remove regulations or restrictions enforced on industry and commerce. Second, they demanded not to impose tax without the approval or permission of the people. How did the British king react? The king sent a military force to suppress the people. This led to the war between England and the American colonies. The Continental Congress was held at Philadelphia in 1775. They elected George Washington as the commander-in-chief of the Continental Army. Another progress we could witness during this time was the introduction of a pamphlet titled Common Sense. Pamphlet, we know notices we used to get during the election time. Pamphlet means Legulekhagal. So, Thomas Paine, who introduced this pamphlet called Common Sense, inspired the American colonies to break the relations with the British. Or in other words, Thomas Paine declared that it was wise for the Americans to break the ties with Britain. The Third Continental Congress was in 1776. It issued the famous Declaration of Independence. It was on 4th July 1776. It was the important milestone in the history of American War of Independence. Who prepared this Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson and Benjamin Franklin. We could see many important ideas which reflect in the different constitutions of the world from this Declaration of Independence. What are the important ideas? We could see here. All are equal. Everyone has certain rights. Important rights are life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. Really, with the Declaration of Independence, in the Third Continental Congress, strengthened the war between English colonies of America and Britain. War which strengthened with the Declaration of Independence came to an end in 1781. They signed an agreement called the Treaty of Paris in 1783. What was the result of it? England ratified or recognized the freedom of 13 British colonies in North America. New country called United States of America formed. Next step was the preparation of constitution. For this, a constitution convention or meeting held at Philadelphia under the leadership of James Madison, they framed a constitution. It was the first written constitution. By this, George Washington became the first president of USA. The American War of Independence transformed the system existed there or changed the system. It greatly influenced the later history of the world in different ways. That is why it is called American Revolution. See the impact of the American Revolution or American War of Independence in the later history of the world. First of all, it gave direction and motivation to the later freedom struggles and revolutions all over the world. Second, it put forward the concept of republican form of government. Word republic you already studied. A nation with elected head according to the constitution. Prepared the first written constitution. Fourth, contributed to the concept of federal system that ensured freedom and authority of states in the union. Federation, a group of states with the central government, but independence in internal affairs for the states. These are the important influence of American War of Independence. Let us conclude. American War of Independence was a struggle of English people against their mother country. English people who had established their colonies in the North America. It culminated as the formation of a new country called USA. I think you will see the assignment also and write it in your social science diary.